Hello everyone, this is Sivaprasad Valuru. Welcome to my channel ZeroToSiva. I am here to make an announcement. I hope you have gone through my developer playlist. I have created other playlists also. One playlist explaining about MCD question, Mulesoft certified developer questions, where if you follow all these questions, you may you will be able to clear the certification exam very easily. I have created one more playlist where I was explaining about some questions which appeared in MCIA exam, Mulesoft Certified Integration Architect exam. If you follow that, there are chances that most of the questions in the exam may come from this questions as well. Now the announcement is, I thought of creating a course freshly for Mulesoft Certified Integration Architect. But again, I don't want to stop with that. I wanted to actually create a real-time project, step by step, starting from scratch. So the idea is I will cover all the topics related to MuleSoft Certified Integration Architect course. After covering all the topics, I will start working on a real-time project. Again, when I say real-time project, I will simulate the real-time environment and the tools. I'll start implementing this project following agile methodology or scrum methodology. I will be using Jira as a tool, Confluence for documentation, and of course, I'll be using source code repository GitHub. And of course, I'll implement all the best practices like testing, and then we'll deploy it both to on-premise and Cloud Hub, CI/CD using Jenkins, end-to-end lifecycle I will demonstrate. And this real-time use case is a very good use case. I'll be covering all the concepts which will simulate real-time scenarios. You'll get a lot of learning going through developer course and going through these concepts and real-time examples is a different experience. When you go through this real-time project, you'll get a very good experience, I'm sure. And after you complete watching my developer course and architect course, do you think you really need any other training? Don't go for any paid trainings. If your friends are also preparing for MuleSoft, please refer them to my channel and ask them to subscribe so that my channel will reach many of the students who want to learn. Okay, so I'm going to create an entire list. I will tell you the agenda, what I'm going to cover in my next video, but this is just an announcement video. The plan is I have a 35 days plan. Every day I'll post videos for somewhere around 1 hour plus or minus. So the idea is I wanted you to parallelly follow along with me. So whenever I post a video, watch that video on that day and attend my 1 hour session. As I told you, I'm going to give support for you in the morning in IST timings. I will join the Telegram channel first. In every video in the description, you will see the link to join my Telegram channel. Actually, watch the introduction video. Okay, I have a link to my Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel. I will be posting link for my live sessions. I'll be coming live, but I will not teach the concept. I will handle all of your queries if you're facing some issues, or if you have some queries, you can discuss with me live. So please join my Telegram channel, and starting from Monday, I will be actually live for clearing. What else do you need? Everything on MuleSoft is in my channel. So please spread the word about my channel with among all of your friends, and make sure that my channel will grow along with you. Thank you. I'll start seeing you from Monday. I'll start my first video starting from Monday. See you.